evening, everyone. So before I start, I have a question for you all. Have you ever talked to someone about your reproductive health problem? If you have, please raise your hand. As I can see that less than 10 people here are willing to share their reproductive health to other people. And I have similar problem to this. As a young girl, I cannot talk about reproductive health to someone else because I feel ashamed, I feel embarrassed. And our society is more likely to pressure women not to talk about reproductive health. So as we can see this problem, we have reached to students and girls in province that we go to teach about menstrual class. They have the same problem. And because they lack of sexuality education, as you know that when we go to school, we only learn about math, physics, chemistry, biology, but we don't learn about sexuality education. And our society is more likely it's such a sensitive topic to them, and they close it. So, and the second one is that the girls, they can find the plastic pads convenient at store, public market, and they don't know that the plastic pad has a lot of chemical substance that might harm their health. And also, they lack of affordable healthy choice. So that we create GreenLady Cambodia since 2019. So GreenLady Cambodia provides consultant service. We train about menstrual class, reproductive health, and sexuality class. And we also have healthy menstrual products to provide for girls. I will detail in this. And we have trained 900 girls in school already. We have trained women to sew their washable pad. If they can sew it themselves, they can sew it and use for themselves. And also we have consult, facilitate, train class on sexual and reproductive health to province. And we also prepare for hygiene menstrual kit. If the organization interested in our product, they can take it, they can buy it from us like a wholesale and share it to students in province. So besides training class, selling product, we also publish a book related to reproductive health. In 2022, this year, we have distributed around 2,800 books already. And we also create digital content related to education about sexual reproductive health. And we have reached to 24,000 views on online material. And besides that, we have distributed 10,000 single pads to girls in province and 800 material kits for organization. This is special about our washable pad. We have 3 layers of our pad. As you can see that we have pool fabric that prevent the pad from leaking the period. We have local cotton that derived from cotton fiber in Takai province. And we have color fabric to cover the pads and also decorate the pads to look better. And we also have soap and pouch to keep the pad clean and neat. Here's our target customer, girls or women between 12 to 45 years who want healthy lifestyle and responsible consumption. And you can find us on Facebook page, Instagram, and also Nyamapaibun. You can search it right now and make an order if you are interested. And we also have consignment in 5 stores in Phnom Penh. You can go and see it face to face. And here's our future plan for 2023. We will conduct more training class to expand the sexual reproductive health to girls in public school. Our plan is to reach out to X province and X school. And we also want to improve our content in sexual reproductive health book and also update more social media content on Facebook page as well. And the last one is very important, develop mobile app. In this century, mobile app is very important. They can load it anywhere and anytime without feeling embarrassed. And we can lead our menstrual class smoothly with our grantors and partner. I would like to thank all the grantors and partners here who have distributed their help to us and funds as well. And here is our Brady team's member, and we have Bongwatay as a founder and also a menstrual class educator, and I as a social media designer, poster, and also an app developer. And also we have 3 other members who is a project coordinator. And before I end this presentation, I want that someone has to start talk about periods and sex everywhere. If you are embarrassed, make it fun and educational. And if you are interested to buy washable pads or booking for consultant class, you can reach out to GreenLady Cambodia, our Facebook page, Instagram, LinkedIn, or you can scan here to see our beautiful website. Thank you.